you've ever driven on a highway in Florida, you may have seen an area where the road becomes split between north and south with a forested area. These are vegetated medians and can be found throughout Florida's highways, including Interstate 95, which spans the entire east coast of Florida. While there is a little addressed as to why these areas exist, one of the potential reasons may be that these areas act as wildlife islands that help animals cross busy roads without risking their lives. Very little information is available about the effects that these areas have on the local wildlife populations. The project is aimed at addressing this proposed reason for vegetated medians and determining the use of these medians as wildlife safety zones in high traffic areas. In this project, camera traps will be deployed throughout the vegetated medians along Interstate 95 in northeast Florida, as well as along the tree lines on either side of the highway, in order to identify terrestrial species types that cross and use the vegetated areas as a resource for sustenance or safety purposes. The camera traps record for a period of 2 weeks, and any roadkill or individual injuries will be noted. The second portion of this project will involve the same time frame. However, the cameras will be placed along the tree lines at areas where the road does not have a vegetated median and instead is a solitary connecting roadway with no gaps between north and southbound traffic. The same data of species types, deaths, and injuries will be recorded. Given the crepuscular nature of some of Florida's forest wildlife, coinciding most of the time with rush hour traffic patterns, key species that this project will most likely identify include but are not limited to the white-tailed deer, and due to their scavenging nature, raccoons and vultures. The purpose of this project is to identify if human infrastructure is inadvertently harming wildlife. Shedding light on this data gap will help identify areas where new signage may be helpful and areas where infrastructural change may be required.